We'll be starting in like 10 minutes here, guys. I'll start the countdown in like 5. Let's just play some music, eh? How about? Good to see you all again, as usual. Why the fuck do you trade Asia? Why the fuck do you trade Asia? Seen more movement during lockdown. Huh. I trade Asia because it's the only session that's not nighttime for me, dude. I'm in Vancouver. New York is 5 a.m. London is midnight. I don't want to live stream those ones, dude. Because then I'm naked half the time while I'm trading. Or I'm in bed or something, right? Oh, fucking bitch. How'd the tattoo work? Yeah, it looks great, dude. I'll show you in a second. Show you in a second. It's only about a quarter done. It's a 4-month long tattoo. M&W formations. You get enough money, you'll get the horse. Yeah, totally. How's it going, Hunter? Hey, Jack. Good to see you, buddy. It's going well. I bought another car today. It's my 4th car. I have 4 cars now. Mind you, I'm not freaking Mamba here. Like, they're not like 4 luxury cars. Two are trash. Yo, Jack, you weren't joking about the mod. Yeah, I gave Jack mod, dude. I gave Jack because he made a joke. I think he made a joke, so I gave him mod. I think Bitcoin's gonna start pumping. Yeah. We're gonna talk about it here real soon. Donate a car to you. I'm gonna give one of the cars to my sister. I do trade crypto, kind of. I position hold crypto. What would my advice for someone who isn't able to trade live because of age? Currently trading demo? If you're, I'm assuming you're saying you're too young to trade, I would just wait, dude. Keep trading demo. start racking up your money. It's not like you need to FOMO into this, dude. It's gonna take you years of losing before you start winning, right? I think the fastest you can pretty much do it is probably a couple years, right? Ed, dude, you're having an unreal week, man. You know, it's actually funny, man. This week is my worst week of March so far, and I think I'm negative 0.5, negative half an hour, something like that so far. My worst week of March so far, because I had a couple losers. Possible to make 100R consistently? No, not a chance. What a joker, hey? Yeah, just keep trading on demo. Yeah, that's what I suggest too. Yeah. Welcome back to the stream, guys. Welcome back. You know, I don't get to do this every day. Yesterday I was getting a tattoo. Today I bought a car, but I was able to get back in time. Day before I was busy with a date. Day before that I was snowboarding. Yeah, Prickly. Dude, you're having a killer week too. You had 6R this morning, didn't you? Alright, let's start her up. Look at this. Okay, wait. Look. It's just mainly... Oh, look at that hair, by the way. Oh, wait, no, it's actually kind of funny. Kind of funny like that. Perfect. Okay, it's basically just the face and then little bits of detail, right? And then there's a bowl. That's 5 hours into it. It's probably only about a quarter done. We're gonna go all the chest. Let's turn this music down. Ugh. Right. We're gonna go all across the chest. We're gonna fill the detail and we're gonna get the inside too. This is my first tattoo. We're going nuts. We're doing like 20 hours. We're doing absolutely bonkers amount. Alright, there we go. Ooh, yeah. Feeling good about today or what, boys? Took a loss this morning. Took a loss this morning, but my group of woke traders here, you know, Prickly. Oh, the shady, oh, fucking tight. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, Ed and Prickly and who's the other guy? Jesus, dude. Oh my god, my phone. Fuck off. I'm busy. Always getting calls, dude. These guys just killed it this morning. I forget Rory also, they killed it this morning. They got like 5-6R. That's unreal. And then I came in, they got this short here. I believe they got this short. And then I came in trying to short the retest and I got stopped out. the one spot that stops out, right? The one spot. But anyways, that's how she goes sometimes. What the fuck is vibrating? Oh, it's my watch. Jesus, I'm tripping, dude. I had the watch on the... Okay, let me gather my bearings here, guys. Okay. My watch is vibrating because it's the market open. That's why I have to put it on my other wrist from now. Because of the tattoo. Okay. Yeah, these guys fucking killed it. Okay, so what are you guys saying here? Let me turn this music down a little bit, maybe. Oh, no, let's put on the just the beat backgrounds. Here we go. There we go. Some beats. Okay. Yeah, the shading is gonna fucking kill it. Yeah, it's still a bit bare, right? You guys can kind of see. You guys can kind of see like the trees. It's just done really scribbly, really quickly, right? But the face and the bull are done. It's absolutely beautiful. I waited a year for this guy. My wife thinks the tattoo is cool. Hey, sweet. That's awesome, dude. Yeah. Yeah, everyone's going nuts for it. I love it. Okay. Shout out to Hunter for the knowledge. Fucking Forex go. Hey, appreciate it, Berkeley. Yeah, you guys are killing it. It's unreal, man. Unreal. You guys are having an amazing week. Sterner, Hunter, do you still use supply and demand? Yeah, it's good for knowing levels. But it's not, don't use it alone. It's just good to know where things could reverse, right? So you want to keep an eye on where things could reverse. So we're on the Asia Open now. Just want to take a quick peek here. I kind of like that beat. That's a cool beat. Yeah. Okay. I just trade key zones and use fib tool. Yeah, I mean, fib and zones, that's all you really need, man. Like you could really make a strategy just out of that. Worst week for me also. Yeah, dude. This week has been a bit odd for me. I think it might be because the London hours are shifted. So I'm trading not quite on the opens for the London hours because it's shifted. So I think there's a little bit difference here. All right, let me just scroll through here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Do you have any MyFX book account that proves how you trade? I've seen some videos of yourself saying professional trade. No, I don't use MyFX book. I just keep track of my own trades in Edgewonk. He's good. Just listen to him. Yeah, dude. Like, do yourself a favor and put in work, right? And like listen to what people actually have to say, right? And then you can make your own judgment based off of that, right? Like data from some third party can even be faked too, right? Giving out something like that adds stress to your life, and it's not something that you really want to do. Plus, it can be faked, and I don't want people to track it exactly, right? Okay, so let's look at EU here real quick, starting off with EU. Oh god, glasses are greasy. I'll look at some of these charts in a second here, boys. I want to just look at EU since the market's just opening right now. So looking at EU, because this is our big one, I was actually looking to see, because yesterday was actually looking, let me get rid of this one so I can hover over. Yesterday was actually coming back up here, if you notice. Where was it? Right here, I believe. Right here. We were seeing some sweeps of those lows. So we were actually looking at maybe getting a long into there, right? I didn't trade the London session, but when we were here, we actually noticed that we were sweeping some stuff of these lows right here, these two, and we could have rallied back up, right? We could have actually rallied back up, and this was a magnet tool that I threw on there that I wanted to target if we came back into the zone. But it looks like we did actually break down, and we closed the day really, really bearishly. So most likely going into today, we're going to be looking for some sort of bearish action as well. Oh shit, man's inked up now. Oh, very nice. Hey, thanks, dude. So very, very bearish still. 4 hour also looking terribly bearish. We have a possible pullback on the 1 hour here, right? Just to about here, right? See kind of that gap. So we might pull back up there before we actually get into the shorts. Mind you, Asia session is quite flat. So we don't really want to pull back too far. We could just take a short, maybe just off of this level right here. That'd be fine. But I am looking for shorts here. Longing this would be kind of silly because the trend is so strong to the downside, right? So we're going to look for a short. But if you did long, you would basically be longing to here or here. All right? These are the only options for longing. There's no reason to be longing this. You're not trying to prove shit. Yeah, man. Is it my first tattoo? Yeah, it's my first tattoo. Yeah. I don't have a whole lot to prove. I mean, it's nice to show those results, but I much prefer to just care for myself. All right. then put more added stress on me now. Okay. So, do I trade Wyckoff strategy? We talked about Wyckoff a ton before. Why does Georgie always show up when I start talking? Go away, dude. So, let's look at some of these charts. We talked about Wyckoff a ton before. Let's look at this chart here. Wyckoff, I think, is just an overcomplicated version of stopping people out. How old are you? Yeah, 26, dude. What is this, EU? Daily levels here. Under those lows. You're looking for a long here if we break back up. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. This is definitely the target for longs, for sure. But we need to be really, really careful that that's actually where we're going to be breaking back into. I would be looking for continuation down to these pink lines, right? And then hunting that pink line there. And somewhere in between your range there, it makes sense, yeah. For it to bounce off of it and then target the pink. That makes sense to me. Right now, it seems like it's going to continue down, in my opinion. I'm direct, so you can show no proofs and you call yourself a professional trader. Yeah, dude. Yep. The opposite trader. Hey, dude. Good to see you again. Yeah, I don't know how you pronounce it. Yusuf? Yeah, Yusuf. Yeah, I don't have to show anything, right? But you can watch my streams, right? And you can watch me explain how things work. And you can watch me actually trade live sometimes too, right? And basically everything I say is right. Usually I'm right, right? I also have results posted in my Signal group here, right? Which these are not all of my trades, right? But it's a rough idea, right? And those are all posted in my Signal group, right? So I can't really fake that, or people will get mad, right? Saying that, you know, it's not actually what I'm posting in the group. It's just, this is how I keep track in terms of R, right? So that's the results, right? If you want results, but you can also just ignore me if you want. So go ahead and do that, right? Or you can actually pay attention and learn something. Go away, cat. Come on, man. Okay. Yeah, it's all good, man. Yeah. We're kind of used to it now. So let's look at another chart here. I want to look at somebody else sent a chart. Jack did. Okay, perfect. Let's look at this one. Yeah, I mean, it's completely up to you guys. Like, you guys, it's all free shit, right? If you guys want to pay for the extended stuff, that's fine. But you can learn for free, or you can just ignore the information and you know, not try, basically. Why do people call pro traders out? This happens to me. Yeah, I mean, it's just annoying, dude. Okay. This looks like let's see. When did you take this trade? Was this today? This is you are GMT. So this is the New York Open, wasn't it? New York Open. Was it? Was this one? No. I'm not sure where this is, dude. What day was it? I mean, this looks like a fine trade, dude. You're following the trend, most likely. Nice sweep. You got in on the retest. Yeah. I mean, it's a little bit risky because there was a lot of momentum coming into that, but it did a nice clean sweep. Oh, you guys are going nuts, man. You guys are really spamming. Let's go back here. I just want to watch this. Yusuf, this guy really knows what he's talking about. This is Striker. Hey, thanks, Striker. Yeah, I mean, you guys can listen and watch me trade live if you want, right? I literally trade live. Not all the time because I don't trade every day, but. So how can we believe that you're a pro trader? You're doing the same thing as all promoters and marketers. This is unprofessional talk, dude. Okay, leave. Dude, honestly, I don't care. Nothing personal. He looks like a good person. Appreciate it. But professionally, I have to show proofs. Yeah. Personally, perfectly fine. If that's what you need for yourself to trust somebody or listen to somebody, then yeah. I'm not gonna give it to you. This is what I'm gonna give to you. I'm gonna give you ours, and I'm gonna give you live streams. That's what I'm gonna give you. I'm not gonna show you broker statements. Not my thing. What music? I'm listening to so you know that guy Harris Heller, the Stream Doctor or whatever like that, on YouTube. He made a thing called Stream Beats, and it's just the hip hop Stream Beats on Spotify. It's copyright free music. But yeah, Yusuf, it's fine, dude. If you want to learn some stuff, mind you, talk like this is just wasting our time, basically, right? So when people just come in and they start questioning stuff, it basically just wastes everybody's time, because it spams the chat and we don't actually learn. Braylon, he's doing a live stream for free. He's not charging a single dollar. Why you gotta show proof for? Yeah, there you go, dude. Unless you're paying for a course. Yeah, exactly. Like if that's your requirement for free content, then yeah. Yusuf can't tell between legitimate and fraud. Yeah. Not hard to know you actually know how to trade. Yeah, appreciate it, dude. So funny. Like everyone's just here to fucking back it up, eh? Are you familiar with volume profile? Yeah, I'm not a big fan of volume profile. It basically just shows like a rough area of where all the trading is done, right? So it doesn't really help too much. Basically, when there's consolidation, volume profile is going to be higher. It's not a big deal. It's not very good for me, I don't think. I just like to use the price action. That's all I need. 100 wins, tits and pips, episode 2 happening. It's already it's already uploaded. I'm just getting the thumbnail done. We've already edited it apart. That thing, dude, that's I was fucking hammered. I was so fucking drunk. I was like slurring my words. God, I gotta be less drunk next time. Yeah, let's look at this trade here. Nothing personal, Hunter. Even me, I follow some of your videos. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, that's no worries, dude. I understand that everyone's got their different requirements for what they need, right? I'm just not going to show broker statements. That shit was jokes. Yeah, that shit was jokes. Yeah. The tits and pips. First lick hunt. Yeah, so we hunted these lows. Okay. Okay, GA still. Of course, yeah, that's a major turning point. Okay, lots of buyers. Right. This was an obvious target, right, on that short selling side. So definitely, yeah, this is a beautiful trade. After quite the only thing I would be worried about is I think you even catered towards it. Is I don't think we quite hit that level, right? So it was possible that we came up and just hunted again to that level. So I don't know what you've done for catering for your stop here, but your stop might have literally been in an exact dead spot where they could have come up and hunted again, and that's just what I can note to improve on there. But you definitely had the target perfectly dead on there, because this could easily wick back in. Shout out from Philippines. Hey dude, how you doing? I forget, is Asia gonna do anything for us here today? It's quite opening slow again, isn't it? Let's show this on the 1 minute so you see more detail. I want to show you guys Bitcoin here too, actually. Let's look at Bitcoin. Show you guys some crypto stuff. Throw it on the daily. So, what I had thought, Georgie, please go away. Literally sees me all day. So what I had thought is I thought we would get one more wick above, right? Unfortunate, we didn't. I had a bunch of alts. They go underwater. I had to move some money around just to make sure that these alts didn't get liquidated, but that is for me because I was leverage trading a bit. I had to move some money from another account just to make sure that they can hold until the lows here. So some of them are underwater now, and because I had bought some alts right in this area, right, and the alts really do crash when they come down. So we're now bouncing off of a daily level absolutely perfectly, and depending on when does this daily close? In I wonder. Wait 1 second here. Okay, good. The Forex daily closed. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. So the crypto daily is actually closing an hour later. I think it's because it's based off of GMT, something like that, right? And the Forex is not. So this is most likely going to close back up here. And this is super, super bullish for Bitcoin. All right? We swept the previous day's low, and we bounced off of a demand level here. So I'm actually already loading up. I've already started loading up on some alt positions. It's a really good idea to start loading up on some more Bitcoin here, right? You can see the 4 hour like doesn't look super, super good, but we want to be closing above this level, right, within the next hour. So we're going to watch that. And then that's going to give us strong confirmation. We can also look to see how does the weekly doing here, right? Weekly level, bouncing off that one. We actually closed beyond this. So I think there's a good chance that this could be the low and we bounce up and hit 80K here. This could give us really, really strong momentum. That was a nice pullback. A lot of people buying in now. We had a massive sell-off on a lot of these alts. I bought up some more RSR back down here, along with some other things. Cool. So I have a strong chance. I think there's a really good chance that this was the low, the local bottom. Mr. Hunter, is it possible lot size for $100 account to flip it to 1,000? I mean, you're gonna have to 10x your account, which is gonna take a long time, right? Just think of it as percentages. You have to 10x your account, right? It's gonna take a long time. If you're trading with $100, you should be using minimum bet size. ICX if you want. Check some juicy alts to trade. Let's look at ICX. I do know ICX. The problem is I don't like trading coins that were popular the last bull market. I like to find ones that have not hit the hype cycle yet. ICX, let's look at Bitcoin. See, it's already got so much data printed, right? And this just doesn't look interesting to me. Because it's already just crashed so much. And it's already gone through this massive explosive move, right? You see this shit? Just completely blew up. So unless this project, like usually with cryptos, is they do their move and then they're done, right? And we talked about this before, where we basically looked at the history here. I guess icons right there. Shit. I mean this one can do fine. It's just not my preference. I like to pick new things. That's how I do. New projects that haven't had hype yet. Because I'm basically trying to buy in hype before other people buy in hype. So I'm looking for a project that's new, hasn't had hype yet. It's got a decent project. I bought some Pundy, and then I think I already sold it actually. I already sold my Pundy. Pundy was near the end of the, I think it was like near the end of the start of mid bear market or something that it came out. Harmony, that's another one. Okay, cool. Yeah. Rocket Bunny. Would you reckon to load up on Bitcoin now? Yeah, dude. I'm putting risk on now. I'm risking more for crypto. Now that we've dumped here. Now that we've dumped here and we're closing really fucking strong. If we close this really, really strong. Hey, thanks for the £5, dude. Jefferson Joshua. Thought on cryptos like Uniswap, Pancake Swaps. Look like good investment considering AVE has recently performed better than Bitcoin. Yeah, so I am invested in AVE. For sure. Where is it? Is it even on here? Uniswap and not Pancake Swap. I haven't looked into Pancake Swap. I know Uniswap is just a big one. I think I took a trade on here. It must have gotten stopped out. Did it? I don't know. I don't even know. Maybe it did. Yeah, I would look to get into anything DeFi related, dude. AVE is also still really good. What I would look for is look for how they're treated here on this. Let's refresh this to make sure. So if we look for AVE, we have AVE here at the market cap. We want to look at market cap mostly when it comes to altcoins, right? And we want to see how they can perform compared to these other ones, right? And we want to just find the ones that are going to grow more. That's all, right? A good project that might be able to grow more. So if they've already exploded a bit, then we probably don't want to jump in. If they're already at the top, we probably don't want to jump in. But you can see kind of how it's acting. It's already had that pullback, right? So we got AVE. Daily. See, AVE's a really good project to get in right now. I think I bought in some here, right? A couple days ago, like 350. The only thing is AVE, we might hunt these lows, right? So your stop would have to be down here, right? So you're going to have to basically invest and risk like 50%, right? If you are going to use a stop. Quickly check on the euro here. Might take a short right now. Might take a short. Let's wait for the... I want to wait for this 5 minute to close. How much time we got? 40 seconds. We might take it short. Let me focus here. Sorry, JV. Distracted. So you have double tops there. So that's what I'm worried of. It's a bit risky. The liquidity right above here, right? The structure here. Yeah, I'm not going to short. 5 minute closed, bullish. Right? I don't know how you guys consider this, but to me, this is bullish. We swept that previous one here, right? And we came back in. So I think it's a bit too risky. I think this is going to come up and hit this, right? Oops. I think it's a bit too risky to short this right now. I think it's going to come up here and then we can get a short. Yeah, let's do that. Let's wait. Okay. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, guys. Yeah. I wonder if this Yusuf guy's still here. By the way, if I provide any value for you guys, just freaking hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If that Yusuf guy's still here, you should hit the subscribe button, dude, because this is what I do. I teach you guys. And this is why I didn't short. Because we would have been stopped out. Do-do-do-do! Would have been stopped out. Boop. Right there. That's why I didn't short. You'll learn from your mistakes. I've done this before, and I got stopped out, so don't do it again. On average, I get stopped out when I do stupid shit. Don't do stupid shit. Look at all these tops right here, right? Don't do stupid shit, and you'll win some shit. How to use fractals in your trading? Yusuf probably in CoffeeZilla's DMs trying to expose me. Yeah, dude, like everybody wants to be the guy. Everybody wants to be the guy that brings the guy down, right? Everybody wants to be the one that, like, proves something to the world, right? Who gives a shit? Oh. Listen and learn. I doubt I would be fucking shocked if CoffeeZilla even did anything on me. Because there are so many other Forex gurus that are way more ridiculous, right? Way more ridiculous. And the only thing that I'm ridiculous about is like being like, you know, I'm the fucking most woke badass, right? And that's just fucking jokes. I'm pretty sure that's obvious. I would be surprised if anyone's like, oh, this guy's a dick for real. Right? But whatever. Let's see. Oh god, it's doing it again. Getting another wiki poo there, eh? What do you think about Swaggy? He's a marketer. Just like everybody else, dude. It's Swaggy doesn't teach anything, from my understanding. He just makes motivational videos about trading. Right? That's my opinion on him. Mamba FX needs a CoffeeZilla exposed video done first. Mamba FX, I mean, I don't know, man. I don't think Mamba FX is terrible. But yeah, he's a marketer too. He's a funny guy, man. Like, you know, I don't want to talk too much beef, but all right, look at that. Look at that one there. Oh god, now I'm a little bit If this one breaks down, eh? If it breaks down here, what do we do, guys? Maybe we take a short there. Now that we hunted these 1 minute tops. But I might do a wide stop or something. But the only thing is, like, this is the level that we want to get up to. Right there. Right here. I think. Right there. Oh, it's too risky, hey? If it breaks down, I think it's still too risky. We might do a light short if it breaks down. A light short. Just for funs. Hunter, how much do you charge for your mentorship? 2,000. Like a lifelong thing. And then you like join the group with the other mentors, and they all chat and they do well together. I mean, some of the mentees in here are usually in stream. Prickly is one. They can all vouch on how fucking good they are at trading now. These guys are literally fucking doing it for like a living now, eh? Yeah, we're just kind of watching here right now for a second, guys. I don't want to get too distracted with something else. Just because I'm watching this, because it looks like it's at a critical point, eh? Honestly, it looks like it's trying to make me short. Dude, I wish I had more sessions during the day, because when I'm sitting in front of the computer watching like this, I can actually think better. But when it's like fucking 5 a.m. or midnight, it's garbage trading, man, because I'm so tired and I don't even want to come upstairs. I just sit on the couch and I'm like, ugh, I want chips and guacamole and I want to watch movies. Yes. I knew it was trying to bait us. I knew it. You motherfucker. I knew it. You tried to fuck me. But you did not. Okay. That's a Cali accent. No, dude. I'm from Vancouver. Don't you fuck me? Asia session, so you got to do it in an Asia accent, right? Yeah, Prickly. You see EU go. Prickly says EU going up to what? This is, dude. This Prickly is one of my best. One of my best, dude. He says 7798. Oh, right here, buddy. Right here. 98. Yeah, you're saying come up here, eh? Prickly's one of the best, dude. Yeah, right here. There you go. I see what you're saying there. Right there, that one. I dig it. We could also get a... If we get a strong reversal right here, we're taking the short. Don't you fuck me, though. Boom, 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 boom. Do you accept crypto? Yeah. Just I think the crypto payments might be broken on the website, so just send me a DM. Let's look at this chart. If you want to buy something with crypto, just send me a DM and we'll do it manually. I do the crypto. Oh god. Holy fuck. Oh god. Dude, Striker, baby. When do you think Radium will start pumping? No idea, dude. It's a brand new coin. I'm just invested in it. Just bought it. Radium. I'm just buying it because of the creator. I like the creator. Unreal, man. So this was when? A couple days ago. You saw the highs, you saw the hunt, you saw the retest. Yeah, dude. Unreal. And you just targeted the lows. What is that? Like, that's like 8R in it. You guys are killing it, hey? Dude, I wish I was good as traders as some of my fucking chat room here, eh? You're super quiet when I pause you. XRP good investment? No, probably not. Didn't know you had tattoos. Are you planning to make it a sleeve? I got it yesterday. And yeah, it's a quarter done. So it's just a little bit like, it's a bit bare, right? It's just kind of the sketch right now. We got another like 15 hours to do. Another few months. Rip all the sellers. Yeah, dude. Fuck them up, hey? Fuck me up, daddy. Right. Yo, Hunter, another good day for the sweeps? Yes. I called it, you're Canadian. Yeah, dude, I'm from Vancouver. You sound like Borat there. Yeah, dude, I just do a bunch of voices sometimes. Hi, Chris. Do you want to see my secret garden? Do you want an orange? That's, Crystalia. Crystalia's niece. Please, do you have 5 minutes for me? What do you want? Can you explain something? Can you check something? What do you want, dude? You know what's so annoying? When people message me on Instagram and they're just like, hey, I have a question for you. Like, okay, why didn't you ask the question in the first place? But like usually when people message me on Instagram, I just ignore it. Unless it's something that like I need to deal with. Or it's hilarious. If it's hilarious, I'll laugh back. I'll respond if it's hilarious. But if it's just like, hey, teach me your ways, then I ignore you. Yeah, this is gonna rock it up. Like we thought it was gonna come back up here. Throw up on the hourly. I mean the Asia pumping. Asia's pumping. Yeah, we might. I think you're right, Prickly. Now that we've closed above here, it looks like we're gonna come up to this guy. We might even get a sweep above that top there. That tip of top. Thank you. You're the main reason why I was able to be profitable. Dude, Striker. Did you do that just by watching the streams? Because if you're profitable just by watching my fucking free streams, then I gotta stop giving so much good information out. Because I want you guys to buy the shit. I gotta stop giving out so much free information. If you guys like the content, just hit the like button. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Out for a rip, are you, bud? Fuck that shit, man. Well, actually, I might. I bought a Jeep, so I'm gonna go rip around. XRP, good investment. Nah, I don't think so. I think XRP is risky. Just a boot, yeah. EU is not a good pair. Oh, is there any charts you guys want me to look at, by the way, guys? Good broker with no spreads for the USA. Hey, look at my description, dude. There's one my FAQ. Go to my FAQ page, and you can see the brokers I use. There's one for the US. Yeah, Hugo's Way. It's the one. I got a link there for it. What's your favorite pairs to trade? EU. I basically trade EU, a little bit of Aussie, but Aussie's just so similar, anyways. And you Swiss sometimes. Those are the big ones. Euro JPY is also a little bit, but Euro USD is just it's unreal, man. Euro USD, like, it makes me so much more money that there's no point for me to even check anything else really. Gold, please. Nah, fuck gold. Euro NZD and Euro odd. Okay, let's look at these two, eh? They're gonna be the same pretty much. Oh gosh. Oh baby. Let's start with a weekly. Weekly is bullish, I think. We got some bottoms there to hunt, right? We have some what's that song? Fat bottom girls make the rockin' world go around, right? That one? I don't know. Fat bottom wicks make the, I don't know, chart stamp. You use the money fucking pair. Yeah, totally, dude. So this is a bit bullish, but we do have that target. Breaking structure all the way, sweeping these lows. Easy, easy, easy. Very bullish. Very, very bullish. All right. What I would be looking for is longs, hey? Now that we're getting on these lows, I'd be looking for longs. Mind you, don't fucking just long for no reason here. Wait till we hunt something, right? Hunt some lows. Yeah, fuck gold, hey? Is Hugo Way regulated? Yeah, actually, I'm actually not sure. FX Choice is. I use FX Choice also. Yeah, some of the best brokers for you guys are literally on my my website there under the FAQ. I have US and other country brokers. They're literally the best ones. Yeah, I'd be looking for longs here, guys. There's no like major point of interest that I wanted to get long in there. But looking at this one, it's probably the exact same. I'm just gonna assume the bias is the same, really. Just assume, eh? Yeah, bouncing off that. I mean, the bias is still kind of the same. What is this drawing? Oh, guess what? I was right. It went down. Oh, God. Look at that. Look at that beef baby right there. Hunted it. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. Yeah, Aussie's gonna go up. Euro Aussie also gonna go up. Looking for longs just below these lows. Right, we're already hunting them right now. So we see the reversal. We see the reversal. You get a long there. Boop, right there. Yeah, that's where you enter. Okay, let's jump back to the euro. Ah! Ah! Don't do it! Okay. Don't do it. Okay. See, this is not what I like. That's that shit I don't like. Bitch, nigga. That's that shit I don't like. You know that song? I can't play it because, you know, I'll lose my $5 from streaming. Guys, dude, this stream was pretty good. I told you it was going to go up, and then it was going to come down. Hit the like button. Come on, look at this. Boom, I got it. But I actually think that this is going to go up again now, because we're actually breaking pretty bullishly. So I think it's going to come up now. Unless we break this down here, then it'll come down. But should come up right off this level. Should come up right off that level. And then we'll target this one here. What's a good price trade app? Don't know. Oh, good practice trade app. No idea. The whole club was looking at her. I think that's the wrong song, dude. Red bottom wicks candles with the gains. I think you got the wrong song there, dude. You're blending songs. Striker. We're gonna look at another chart here or what? Yeah, guys, I think when I go to Asia, I'm gonna be in Thailand. So let's look at this. I'm gonna be in Thailand. So it's like Thailand. Where am I gonna be? Let's just say Bangkok. I won't be in Bangkok, but I think it's close enough. I think it's all the same time zone. Correct me if I'm wrong. So like the New York Open is like 5 a.m. my time, so it's like 8 p.m. That's perfect. The Asia Open is like 4 p.m. So like 7 a.m. I can just wake up at 7 a.m. And then what's the other one? London for me is like midnight, right? I think. Here. It's like 3 p.m. So basically 7, 3, and what was it? Like 8 p.m. or something like that? It's just perfect. Something like that. I can trade all 3 sessions throughout the day, and I can stream 2 of them probably. I might not stream at 7 a.m. because I want to like wake up. Don't go to Bangkok. I'm gonna be living in where is it? Thailand here. Thailand. I don't know yet, but I'll fly to Bangkok and then just drive probably down here. Where are the islands? Over here, I think. I forget, guys. I gotta look it on the map. I forget what it's called. The tropical island shit. You know what I mean? Phuket, there it is. Probably down to Phuket. That's probably the same time zone, right? But anyways, Hangover film says it all. Don't go to. Yeah, so I think I'll probably stream. What was it? What was it? Fucking London and New York session? That'd be sick. And then I just won't stream the Asia session. I'm going for next winter for like 5 months. So I'll probably stream both the London and New York session, and I'll just trade fucking live. So you guys can see it. But like right now, all I can do is stream the Asia session. But I'll be able to do this like every fucking day. I'll stream all day long. Be sick. All right, let's look at this trade here. Euro Swissy. Oh yeah, 1 second. Okay, we made a new high. Your order didn't get filled. Oh shit, dude, yeah. Yeah. Your mistake was this is where your order should have been, dude. Right here. Your order should have been right here. Because this is the move that brought you down to the low. This is where you should have put your order, and that would have been filled. But you put your order at the for some reason like the demand here, right? But this is the move that's bringing us to the low. Yeah. Look at how this goes. We got 2 minutes 30 on the 5-minute close. Sweeping these highs. It's not a really great price for it to sweep. It should come up more, but how long ago? Oh yeah, Asia. Like 5 months Asia. Are you moving out to Thailand or just for some? Yeah, it's just for the winter, dude. And then I'll be here in summers and I'll be in Asia in winters. I'm gonna buy some places out there or something, I think. Or I'll just travel around. We'll see. Why isn't IC Market recommended on your website? Because I can't use them, right? So I recommended things that I could actually use and actually know that they're good, right? So everything that's on my website are brokers that I've used and I know are good. What's the sleeve theme? It's a bull and a bear right now, dude. Bull, bear. And then the chest piece is gonna be Vancouver cityscape. I wanted to do it in like Japanese candlesticks, the cityscape and Japanese candlesticks. But the artist thinks that it might be too difficult to understand what's going on because candlesticks are quite simplistic and it won't really give much structure to it. What's up, Hemorrhoid? How come you like Asia? The only reason I'm going to go to Asia is because, first of all, I like Asian food. Second of all, the time zone. And third of all, it's very cheap to live like a fucking god there. Like, to live really well in Vancouver, you got to be spending like 20K a month, right? Like, I live all right, and like my fucking bills are like, you know, I'm spending like 10K a month here, and I live pretty good. But in Thailand, like for 10K a month, you could literally be their emperor. All right, I'm putting my orders to the body of the candle. Thank you. That should be the wick sometimes. If you're leaving a resting order, I think the wick here. Striker. Or wait, is it striker or jack? Yeah, striker. I think that's the reason. I think that's the reason you didn't get filled is because you put it on the body or something. Okay, so this guy, did it just close the 5-minute? Yeah, just close the 5-minute. Kind of a shitty sweep of that, right? I just swept that one. It would be a good short. It would be a good short here, actually, if it dumps off. Because we don't have to touch this. We don't have to touch that, do we? But this is just the most logical place for it to go to. Let's look at the levels here. This was also a really good place for it to dump off of, right? You're gonna get so many ladyboys wanting you an emperor With bitches by his side. Yeah. I'm not a huge fan of the look of Asian women though. Oh, sorry, buddy. That's kind of the downside of Thailand and whatnot. Where do you think Av will reach? I'm not sure, dude. It's really hard to predict altcoins because they just kind of explode and go like completely bonkers. The only way you can predict altcoins is by looking at similar altcoins and then look at the market cap, right? So the market cap will, like, 4 billion here, right? Look at something similar that's already been developed and high up, right? And then you can kind of see how it can grow there. The other thing you could do is, like, AVE is down what, like 22nd or something, 4 bill. Let's say it comes up to 15 or something like that. It would double in respect, right? And then let's say the entire market as a whole goes another like 4x, right? So you got maybe 8x because 2 times 4. You have maybe 8x on it. You can do a prediction that way. It's really hard to predict these things though. I'm just watching this guy. We might actually get a good short here. Maybe, baby. Let's look at this one again, just so we can check. We're actually closing the daily, maybe. Pretty poor. Pretty poor. But not a huge difference here. All right. A few $100s, that's it. We got 8 minutes. So it could rally back up here, guys. Bouncing off this demand right there. Could rally back up for the daily close. 7 minutes. We'll check it. Tits and pips. Yeah, it'd be. Oh yeah, green paladin, tits and pips, like episode 8 with a ladyboy. That'd be so funny. But yeah, when I get to Thailand, I'm gonna see if I can do another one. I gotta post it and see how well it does. If they don't take off, then I might just not do them. If they don't gain good popularity, then I might just not do them because it's kind of like they're expensive, right? It's a huge time investment. I need to buy drinks and shit, right? And I need to fucking basically act like a fucking clown online. So if it doesn't do well, then tits and dicks, dicks and pips, dude. You guys literally post that at the same time. I've been trading for almost a year, but what does it say here? But don't know how to place orders and stops. Dude, that's easy knowledge. Okay, look at what just happened here. So this was an imbalance, right? 1 minute imbalance. So it came up and rejected off that. So this looks promising actually. This would be a better short. We got 20 seconds on the 10 seconds on the 5-minute close here. If this dumps off, it dumps off here right before, might probably get a short. But it's looking fine, yeah. We're not gonna take a short off that. Ladyboys are expensive. No. Oh no. Just joined the stream. No, we're talking about tits and pips, man. Because like the first one there, I just said like anytime somebody tipped, I would give my friend $20, right? And I was thinking about bringing on like like an escort or something if I couldn't find like a friend to do it, and that would cost me like a good $1,000, right? So unless Tits and Pips takes off and it gets like unless it's actually making money, like I can't justify like just bringing on like escorts and like teaching them, because I think it'd be hilarious. You have a 20-second yeah, dude. What lot size do you usually put on trades? It's like it ranges. Like if I'm just testing something out, like couple lots, Like if I'm just like lightly trading for like live testing, right? It'll be a couple lots, but once it starts getting over 10 lots, it starts freaking me out. So I try not to go over 10, but yeah. And never over 20. Never over 20. I have a 20-second lag. No, I don't. Oh man. You don't fuck them, just teach them how to live a better life. Yeah, it's so funny, right? Isn't that hilarious? Like I hope it takes off. Yeah. Isn't that hilarious? Like you hire an escort, and then you're like, and you just bring them upstairs, and you're like, okay, you're gonna be on stream. I'm gonna teach you how to trade. Shut up and listen. Have you heard Ty's new song? I think you and him need to bury the hatchet and drop a remix. No, what's his song? Is he making fun of me or other traders? Ty, yeah. I made a video like way back in the day where I was basically all I did was I was like, yeah, all of I basically said that all of these gurus like they live off of sale money, right? I just basically made it clear that that's what happens, right? And then I just plugged a bunch of names. I didn't do any research. I just put a bunch of big names. And then Ty fucking flipped out. He got so mad that I put his name there and he started like bashing me and stuff. But I just plugged a bunch of names, right? I didn't actually research them. So funny. That was like back in the day. That was like early on. That was like July last year. Okay, this is not a short I really want to oops. This is not a short I really want to take. Just because we are closing above here. Okay. We might actually bounce off of this, right? Come back down here, bounce off that and go. So it still looks like we can hit this target, right? How much of your net worth do you trade? Not much. Very little, dude. Most of it's in crypto. Most of it's in crypto, and then I'm going to be pulling out once by the end of the year. I'm going to be trading with probably about a third of my money, or a quarter. Once I'm done with the crypto boom. But I much prefer just leaving it in crypto right now and just having it hands off because I know that that's just giving absolutely nutty returns. It's a lot easier to make money in crypto than it is in Forex right now. So once the bull market's done, then I'll take it all out, and then it'll be easier to make money in the Forex market. Do you scalp Bitcoin on the weekend? No, I don't. Be honest, this is fucking dumping, isn't it? I'm kind of curious Ty's new song now. What's it about? You didn't um oh yeah, Green Paladin. Oh yeah, I remember the video you mentioned Trader. Yeah, I mentioned Trader Nick too, right? I just mentioned a bunch of the fucking I just put a bunch of the names in my title. It's so funny. That video fucking blew up like and so many people hated, right? Cuz they're like, "No, my guru knows the best," right? I mean, I didn't know any of these gurus. I just fucking plugged them. But I took down the video. I made it private or something, or deleted it or something like that a while back. Too much fucking drama. Aren't you scared of how volatile crypto is? No, not at all. I know how to trade crypto properly, so it doesn't bother me. There we go. This is why we're not shorting, once again. But we're still waiting for the short. Because it would be silly to long. We said it was going to come up here, right? But it would be silly to long just in case we got a short continuation. See ya, Hanzo. Trader Nick is calm. Yeah, we're actually friends now. Like, not close friends, but we were actually talking today. Trader Nick is a very realistic guy, which is respectable, right? But yeah, he is another person that made a ton of money from, you know, signals and course sales type stuff like that, right? Just like everybody on YouTube makes tons of money that way, right? And you can't trust them too well. So you got to pay attention to what they actually offer for education. How's it feel being a guru yourself now? It's all right, dude. It's really stressful. Honestly, it makes your trading worse because there's a lot of pressure, but that's just the way it is. There we go. Look at this. So dumping off, hey? This would be a good short. If we close bearishly, that'll be a great short. We've already basically tested it. It would have been nice for it to sweep this high as well, right? Would have been really nice for it to sweep that high as well right here. But we'll just wait because this is a really strong move. I don't want to get into a short yet. I want to make sure that that move gets destroyed before we get into a... Everyone says react to MentFX. I've never seen any of his videos. I got a bunch of videos I need to make, man. I've just been so busy. Can I ask you how you draw in your support and resistance? Because you seem to have so many levels. I'm just drawing highs and lows, dude. That's all I'm doing. And like, this is an imbalance, right? I'm just drawing levels that interest me, right? This is a level that I think it might bounce off of. I don't know exactly how to explain it. It's just highs and lows and then untested zones, right? That makes sense, yeah. Untested levels. So this is bounced off, this is dumped off, untested, dumped off, untested. So I just drew it like that. That's all. Forex goes so hard when compared to day and swing trading stocks. Guru just sounds scary. Yeah, it totally does. Saying guru like sounds like a fucking negative term, doesn't it? Oh yeah, you're one of those gurus, aren't you? MentFX is an ICT student claiming his knowledge as his own. I'm gonna make an ICT video actually. I'm gonna be reacting to ICT stuff and giving you my opinion. What do I mean by imbalance? Imbalance is just this, dude. A simple spike where it hasn't come back to retest. Right? A spike in the data that hasn't tested it. This is supply. This is imbalance. Just came in. Yeah, we're looking for a trade here, dude. I probably average 2 trades a day, and I take one per set, like in a session. So some yeah, maybe one to 2 trades a day is what I average, right? So I'm just watching them to see if we can find a trade. Still rocketing up though, eh? See, we bounced off of this proper, right? This was an imbalance right here. That's an imbalance, just a strong spike, so it came back and tested it. So we're still going to come up. We're still going to touch this one. We're coming up again. Has Striker Hunter's not a guru, he's a hero. Appreciate it, dude. Yeah, I'm literally like walking you through this shit, hey? Technically, you're not a guru until you do a video in your Lambo. I have a F-Type, but I don't think I'll ever own a Lambo. They're too childish. Lambos are for 16-year-old girls. Lambos are for 16-year-old girls, man. Not for me. Yeah, I think it's still gonna come up. It's dumping down right now, but daily close on Bitcoin. Hey, thanks, dude. Let's check it. Yep. Boom. What did I say? Oh, God. Oh, God. Not another one of those gurus that tells you exactly what's going to happen every single time. Oh, my God. It's like he's never wrong. Jesus. What did I say fucking 5 minutes ago? 7 minutes. It was 10 minutes ago. I was like, this is going to pump up last second. It's got 7 minutes. Right. Buy your Bitcoins now, boys. Roll out. Drive by buying Bitcoin. Ba 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 ba. Never mind. Forget I said it. It closed below. Dang it. Fuck. Now you made me look like an idiot. Fucker. Dang it. Look at that. At the last fucking second. Did they try... What the fuck is this? Did they try to pump it like... Oh, they pumped it at the daily close. This... it might actually have been done on purpose. They literally started pumping exactly on the daily close. I'm still bullish, right? Still bullish. Bouncing off this. I mean, we might go for another one down here to 49. But I'm still relatively bullish here. Yeah. There's no reason to be bearish. I'll be bearish when it's down here. I'm actually literally just always going to be bullish until we hit my targets. Yeah, totally. Jump back to the euro. Do you trade crypto similar to Forex? No. Very different, dude. It's a very different environment. It's a very different scape. Forex, you have to trade like a bank. Crypto, you just you trend follow. Hugo's Way has a huge spread on Bitcoin. Yeah. Don't trade Bitcoin on Forex brokers. Think about it, dude. Ugh. Trade Bitcoin on Bitcoin exchanges. Jesus. Right, it goes higher. Jeff Bezos market manipulation. Do you teach how to trade crypto in your course? No. But that's actually a good idea. Maybe I should make a crypto trading course. I could probably sell that one for super cheap because I don't think the value I have to offer is absolutely life-changing in crypto. So I could probably make a pretty damn cheap course for crypto. It would basically just be teaching you how to trade and invest in crypto properly. Because crypto is not a day trading thing. It's just how I invest in it and how I mean, obviously I made most of my money in crypto, but I'm not as worried about giving out information. So I could probably just give it all out. Do you trade cryptos anywhere else? I use Binance and FTX, yeah. What's happening right now on UJ? 5-minute consider stop hunt. Let's look at it. Right here. Yep. Let's break this down for you, dude. Daily. Somewhat sweepy. Continuation to the upside. Reaching tops. 4 hour. Breaking structure. Continuation. Trend is up. 1 hour. Lows here. Could hunt this. Could hunt that. Talk it. Take it. Rejecting off of a breaker. Dumping down. Stop hunt on those lows. Somewhat conflicting point of view, right? Just touch that order block. Perfectly fine. 1 hour sweep high. You know, honestly, this is gonna break down. It's gonna target here. In my opinion, it's kind of funny, eh? You would think that it wouldn't because of this massive move, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna break down and hunt that. Reason being, you know, this is a 5-minute. This is a 5-minute sweep, but look at this. We had hourly sweeps. And then here as well, that hourly closed really bearishly, right? This is just currently running. We have 47 minutes on that hour still. No reason for this to close. Most likely, it's going to continue back down, and it's gonna hunt these lows here, and then fill that before continuing back up. That's the most likely. I mean, obviously, it could do something like this too. It could come up, hunt there, and then come down, right? But, you know, I would look for a short and then target that and then long it off that. See if that matches our bias for Euro. Right. Hey, stop your dumping. Really dumping down, isn't it? Dang it. Well, we got this level is untested right here. Is this what we said? We possibly come test this level right here. All right. Well, this is what this arrow means, right? I think. I might be wrong here. We'll see. Yes, in Forex, just CODs, the market gets really bad. I start looking for silver and gold. What would you consider a strong confirmation in order to enter trades when it's sweeping? Engulfing? You want to see a major wick past a level is to be sweeping, right? And then closing back within. There's dirty sweeps and clean sweeps, right? This is a clean sweep where it swept it all in one candle, closed back within. This is a dirty sweep right here, where it swept past, closed on the outside, another one closed there, and then it came back in. That's a dirty sweep. I mean, this is something that I came up with, but I don't know if anyone else is clean and dirty sweeps. But that's how I refer to them: clean and dirty. Forgive my ignorance, but will trading crypto not be similar to standard price action on any other currency? Trading crypto is like simply trend following, basically. So if we were to teach how to trade crypto, I'd be basically teaching how to like properly follow the trend and use loose stops, right? Because it's so volatile that we don't necessarily know where we're gonna want to get out. I don't put any hard stops in crypto. The janitor method. And I don't leverage trade unless I use like 2x or something like that. Right, this looks fine here. See you sweep that low here. A 5 minute. Come back up. Touch this, I think. Alright guys. If I provide any value for you guys, we got really low likes here today. Hit the like or the subscribe button if you want to watch more. Would you have entered EU if not on stream? Or is there not enough confirmation? A shorting here? I wouldn't have shorted this. I'm just not getting what I want right now. I'm gonna watch this. I only watched the Asia Open for the first 2 hours. I don't like this still, so but it is dumping down now, eh? It's just a bit too dirty for me, right? I want things to be more obvious. Did you notice the new leverage regulations being implemented against the Australian brokers? Yeah. Yeah. 30 to 1. Yeah, I think that's the same as Canadian. I love you too, Zombiar. I see it is because the price of Bitcoin is not regulated or controlled and will stay out of crypto, I think. I mean, crypto is good for investing, right? It's not good for trading. So that's why, like, if I were to like make a video course or something on how to trade it, which might be actually a good idea. I'll just do I can do something short and then sell it for pretty cheap, right? Because it's not something that like I put tons of value on. Forex trading is the one that's difficult. Crypto trading is relatively easy, right? But Forex trading, like if you can trade Forex, you can literally do anything. You're a god among men. Most brokers offer transfer to. Yeah, I think Blueberry was doing an automatic transfer or something. I'll have to look into it. Thanks for reminding me. Let me just look up Blueberry. Yeah. I'll have to look it up because I'm currently using Blueberry. Okay. I think we might wrap up here. I'm not happy with this. It might take us too long. We might not even get a trade this session. It's only like 50% of the time I'm able to get an Asia session trade. I think we're gonna wrap up here, guys. Your 5R on EU. In and out, thanks for coming. Alright, great dude. Yeah, great work, man. I'm glad. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap up here. I'll see you guys not tomorrow. See you guys next week actually. Shit. That's all. That's all for the week, guys. I was hoping I'd be able to get a trade here. This week has just been very for me personally not so great, but I'll see you guys next week, okay? Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe if you want to watch more.